This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jerry Lynn Kierstead. Discover your new home in this stunning townhome on Middle River in pet-friendly Edgewater. Enjoy modernized living west/an open floor plan and picturesque river views. Features include a pool at your front door, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances and easy care luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. Boasting 2 master suites, one offers vaulted ceilings and serene water vistas. Additional features include impact glass, new water heater and HVAC, plus a screened riverfront patio, perfect for watching kayakers and manatees while savoring coffee or cocktails. Across the river, Colohatchee Park offers a dog park and 7 acres of mangroves for nature enthusiasts. Ideal for those seeking a serene waterfront lifestyle with modern comfort and scenic beauty. For more information, review the details below.